Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show. Live location at my crib, okay? Well, today is a rainy day, okay? So, actually, I'm doing a rainy day schedule episode, okay? Yep. So, what I'm going to do on this rainy day schedule, I'm going to be showing y'all some videos, some past videos that I've done and stuff like that. It'll probably involve MechaCon, Comic-Con, my family, or anything else, okay? So, I really hope y'all gonna enjoy today's episode, okay? With past episodes and anything else, okay? So, this is my rainy day schedule episode, okay? Alright, so, nothing else for me to do, okay? So, on that note, on this rainy day schedule, either I'm gonna play my game and y'all gonna watch me play my game or whatever, or whatnot. So before I do anything, let's just check out my past clips of Comic-Con or MechaCon or whatever else I got in mind. Okay, check out this clip, whatever it be.